the 6 for 10, and then you also have $2 each. Then and you also see transactions happening here. Sold some, then receive some money, right? So this is a transaction plus I call it each number total, ENT. Okay, so you should use the branch and the ENT. Okay, and I will start to draw the table out. So this is my E and T. So for this question, the each is known. I mean the cost is known, so the number is not known, right? So in the morning, sold some sardines puffs at 6 for 10. So you need to start the branch, and actually the branch will actually give you the number. Okay, so in this case the number is not known, so this is okay. Hold on. This one is not known, so this is known. Okay, so the one that is not known, then you need to use the branch, okay, to figure it out. Okay, so some sardine, how much? I don't know. So let it be U.
Okay.
So so in the morning. Okay. Then if you start with T, right? Then U sold in the morning, so you left. So it's T minus U, right?
Yeah.
So this is what this is left after morning, right? Then this left selling 7/12 of the remaining. So 7/12 of the remaining means this one, right? Is T minus U, right?
Yeah.
This is in the afternoon, right? Right? So 7/12 sold in the afternoon, so it's 5/12 left, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then after that, in the end, she had 1/4 of the number left. So that means this one is 1/4 of
Yeah. 5/12 equals
a T, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So with this, so it's 1/4 T is equal to your 5/12 T minus U. So in this case, I think you can make U in terms of T already. How? Solving algebra. So help me out with your calculator. Get ready your calculator, please. Right? Am I right? You will get this, right?
Yeah.
So after that, what you do is you will move the T over. Then why? Because you want to group the T together. The U one side. So over here will be 1/4 T. So you never move the 1/4 T. So just copy down without changing the sign. So this one will become minus, right? Okay, so how many T? So over here, can you see it's minus, minus 5/12 U. Why? Because your U, you never move it, so you just copy down together with the minus sign. And the minus sign belongs to the 5/12 U. So over here, what do you get for the left hand side? Minus.
Simon, wait. No, it's not Simon.
No, just get me the left hand side first. One equation, it cannot be simultaneous equation. Yeah. Okay, so next time you just remember one equation. So what do you have? Negative?
Minus 1/6.
Minus 1/6T, right? Equals to, sorry, U, right? So with this, I think you can get the ratio. You can get the ratio between T and U already. How? You remember we have like half T is equal to 3/4 Y, you know the curve. Understand?
Yeah.
Then how do you see the T to Y? So same technique.
Same denominator.
Yeah, get in the same denominator. But I think you see the minus sign for both, right? So what you can do is, if they are minus sign, so you can divide by -1. So you can divide by -1. Just to get rid of the minus sign first. So once you get rid of the negative sign, is just 1/6T is equal to 5/12 U. So with this, get into the same denominator, right? So what denominator you prefer?
12.
12. Okay, so this side don't have to do anything. So it's 2 times 2 times, so it's 2 over 12t, and 5 over 12t. I mean u. So you can get rid of the denominator now, right? So basically, 2t is equal to 5u. So now the question is, which one is bigger?
T.
T is bigger
Yeah.
than u.
Yeah.
So therefore, the 5 will be assigned to 5 will be assigned to t,
T.
and 2 will be assigned to u. So that is the ratio. Okay. So once you have this ratio, how? The question becomes so easy. So t is 5u, u is 2u, right?
Yeah.
U is not u, u is 2u, okay? In this case, so 2u. Then over here become 3u, right?
Yeah.
5u minus, right?
Yeah.
Right? So in a way, okay, so yeah, like I say, so you don't erase, alright? Don't erase, just put it. Probably you can use a different color. So this is 5u. So later you will look at 5u instead of the t, okay? So after that, I will just look at the blue one. Understand? Then over here is 7 over 12, 3u. So 7 over 12 times 3u. So this will be, so it's 7 over 4u. Okay. Then this is 5 over 12, 3u. So this will be 5 over 4u. So far so good. So I will look at the one in the bracket. Okay, good. Now with this, so how many? So 2u, right? Right, in the morning,
Yeah.
right? And the cost is 6 for $10. Okay, the cost is 6 for $10. Then so 6 for 10, right? And you have 2u of it, right?
Yeah.
So how do you get the money? So 2u is how much? So you want to figure out how many 6 is inside 2u, right?
Yeah.
So how many 6 is inside 2u? So you use 2u divided by 6. So this will show you how many 6 is inside 2u. Every 6 is $10. So therefore, your number should be 2u over 6. And the each should be $10. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you will get the total. The total will be 20u over 6. Because you times these two together. You times these two together. You will get this one. And then you simplify it a bit. Can you help me out? 20 over 6. What's the simplified version? Fraction? Just 20 over 6.
3 1 by 3.
No, give me a fraction. I don't want mixed number.
10 by 3.
Okay, so it's 10 by 3. So I will look at this. Then for then it says in the afternoon she received 210 from selling. Okay, so 7 over 12 of the remaining. So basically this one, right, is 7 over 12 of the remaining basically is 7 over 4u, right, at $2 each. So you times 2, right? This is the afternoon amount. So this is morning, this is afternoon. So this is $2, then this is 7 over 4u. So you times it, you will get 7 over 2u, right?
Yeah.
And this 7 over 2u is actually 210. Okay, can you help me out? U is equal to
7 divided by 2. 15.
wait, 210 divided by
7. 7 over 2 is 7 divided by 2. So 15.
I think we need a bracket from
Oh yeah.
from 7 to 2 because you want to take 210 divided by that value.
60.
Yeah. Okay. You want to take 210 divided by this whole thing. Without the bracket, you will divide by the 7 first. Then you will divide by 2. That's not what you want. So when you want to use the divide instead of the over, they will create a bracket. So you use 60. Okay. So I think once you get u equals 60, this question is almost solved. What they ask? How much money did this receive from selling the sardine in the morning? This one, right? So it's 20 times 60 over 6. So you get 10, so it's $200. Okay? Okay, so you just look at how this question can be solved using branch and table. Number one, the branch helps you to get the ratio out. Right? So once you have the ratio, then you will get the number in terms of u, because your number is not known. Where?
Yeah.
And that's it.